This is our weekly market update for the 10th of October 2012, and to start things off, a little fly around with our auction clearance rates throughout the country. Brisbane had a 31% clearance rate, Sydney 55%, Canberra 44%, Melbourne was at 64% and Adelaide 32%. So coming off the back of AFL Grand Finals and all that sort of thing, we'll be looking for those rates to increase over the next couple of weeks. Quick note about what's happening around the world. There's been a little bit of discussion about real estate in the US over the last couple of weeks, and they're proudly telling us that their growth in residential real estate sales has started to climb out of decline, which is great news across their banking sector and so forth. Speaking of banking, of course, a recent interest rate decrease, and we did mention that we're waiting with bated breath to see what the banks passed on. Well, we're pleased to report that most of the majors have passed on some of the interest rate decrease to home owners, and they range between 0.2 and 0.18 of a basis point reduction in the current variable rate. So that's good news for you if you're out there looking at buying property at the moment, or indeed for those of you who are supporting the current mortgage at the moment. That ends the weekly market wrap.